Yeah, hello. Yeah, so I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name's remain the same. I'm Kina Rhymes, a co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Yeah, so I welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. Yeah, so on today's episode, I want to show you how I was able to make 35,000 Ghana cedis last year. I even made more than that. But let's let me show proof and if you want me to mentor you or you want to join my membership, I have the link in my description. Yeah, so it's just go out for just 300 cedis, that is $28. Yeah, and I'll show you all my secrets and what I do online to earn money daily and all the things. I will show you everything. Yeah, so let me start. So I started doing my online business last year, August, September, October, November, December. So that's 5 months. Yeah, that's 5 months. So this 5 months, I was in the learning process. So I guess September. So October was the time I was an expert. So from October, November, December, that's the 3 months. That means I was expert. So I was earning more than 10,000 Ghana cedis a month. Yeah. So I want to show you all my proof and everything so that you know that I'm not joking. And if you join my mentorship or membership, I will show you more and I'll teach you the way out. Anything that is making money, I will show you. Yeah. So let's go here. You see, everything that they say remain deposit is 1,331.29 3,000. This means that the limit of this app is for 3,000 Ghana cedis. So I have to verify my address so that they will open it for me. They will extend it for me. So right now I have just $1,331 to reach the 3,000. So it means that 1,331 points. So let's do the calculation and let's see something. So thousand so 3,000 minus 1,331.29 is equal to thousand 668.71. So let's convert that one to Ghana city. So 12.25. So current rate is 25. So it means that on this app, this Exchange app, I've made 20,441 Ghana cities on this, just this apple. I've withdrawn more than 20,441 Ghana cities. I hope you get it. I've withdrawn more than 20,441 Ghana cities. Yeah. So this is not all my income stream. So this is what I do. So I have Randa Company Limited, Randa Tech Company. So it's an online business. So this is what we do. We create dollar or foreign accounts for people. So that means people pay us off, like let's say offline. Yeah, they pay us offline for us to do for them. So that one they pay me through our money, and that one I was able to make more than 10,000 Ghana cedis. You said that thing, I was able to make in 10,000 Ghana cedis, and that one, you see, when it's come you withdraw. So I can't show you all the proof. Yeah, and now that's what Rwanda Tech we do. We create foreign accounts for people. If you are Amazon KDP and you want us to create dollar account for you or foreign account for you, we do it for you. That's my other side of business. And this excellence, I use this platform to receive money from my other businesses. That one too. If you join my mentorship or membership, I will show you the business that I use to receive money through this excellence that have made me 20,441 Ghana cedis. And I said that the dollar creation also made me more than 10,000 Ghana cedis. So it means that right now I've earned 3,500. 3,500. So let me show you more. Yeah. So I also have YouTube. And YouTube last year, let's see how much I earned last year. Let's see how much I earned last year. So it means that right now I've made 30,500. So I hope, like, I'm not flexing or I'm not boasting anything. I just want you to be inspired and join my membership or mentorship, and I'll guide you for you to make more than what I'm making right now. Yeah. So let me go to 2023. So 2023, I was able to make 562 because YouTube is just recently that my channel boost, like it's going up and things here. So 462.98 times 12.25. So YouTube have made me say YouTube made me 6,896 last year. 6,896 last year plus 35,000, 35,000, 35,000, 35,000. So it means that right now I've made 41,896 Ghana cedis. 41,896 Ghana cedis. That's the amount I've made. 41,896 Ghana cedis. Yeah. And not only that, I also have online courses that I sell. So I just like posted like this the what I've sold so far. Yeah. So let's say this one cry is also, let's say 50. Let's say, okay, let's say 50. Let's say 500 city, 510 cities. Let's say plus 510, 510. So it's 42,400 Ghana cities. 42,400 Ghana cities. So I have a lot of income stream. Yeah. And if you join my membership, I will show you a lot. I will show you a lot. I will show you a lot. I'll show you a lot. I'll show you a lot. Yeah. So this video is not here to put pressure on you or something like that. I'm here to inspire you and tell you that you can also make more than what I'm making right now. You see that then. And this one, people think that if they call you and they say they want to learn something online and you charge them, that means it's a scam or something like that. Nah, bro. If you go to repair shop and you want to learn something, first of all, you pay something before they will show you, because like if you don't pay anything, your seriousness will not be at the top reach. It's that thing. You have to pay something so that you know that at least you have exchanged something for knowledge. So if you don't like force yourself to know what you have paid for, that's your own business. That is why we take money from you people, or like you pay for mentorship. It's not that thing. Me, I make money daily. You see, this yesterday I've made money. I've made money daily on this platform, and to this on will be starting very soon. You see that thing. So I don't need your money, but for me to teach you, that's first of all, you'll be wasting my time. That time too, I'll be using that time to make money, but I'll show you that time to you. So that doesn't mean say like I'm no good guy or something like that. That's how it is. Yeah. So you can check the link in my description. Yeah. So I have a mentorship and what membership link over there. When you click on it, it's just 300 cedis or $28, and I will show you everything. I'll show you all my secret. At first, I was selling it at 600 cities, but people are saying it's too high. The economy. Charlie, if even if I'm selling it for 10,000 Ghana cedis, you have to buy it, because bro, is knowledge is very expensive. For me to show you everything, for you to make more than 42,400 cedis a year, and this one is it's not just a full year, just 3 months, just 3 months, just 3 months, just 3 months, just 3 months. You see that thing? So you have to, at times you have to what, like put yourself in some shoes and what, do these things. So I think I'm done for today, and thank you for watching me. And the name still remain the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes, and I'm out.